Hey guys, Eddie the Magic Monkey. Welcome to the second lesson of responsive web design with CSS. And what we want to do now is introduce you guys to the idea that you can have different CSS style sheets for different screen sizes. And to do this, we use what we call a media query. So for the style sheet on this page, let's say in between head and slash head, we use a internal style sheet. So let's go style and slash style. Style and slash style, which is located between head and slash head, as you can see. And in here is where we define the styles of our HTML tags. So if I do body, let's do the body tag. Let's make the background color is blue. Okay, and look what happens when we view this page. Right, the page now has a blue background, which is really ugly. So now I want to use a media query. So a media query basically evaluates a condition and it returns a result whether it's true or not. So let's say I want to execute the query at media bracket minimum width. Minimum width is, let's say, 600 pixels. Okay, so it's gonna basically ask whether the minimum width of the screen is 600 pixels. So if the screen is smaller than 600 pixels, it'll become false. So I'm gonna enclose the body style within the media query. So what that means is this body style will only be applied when the viewport has a minimum width of 600 pixels. So let's see what the effect of that is going to be. So let's view our index.html again. And you can see this is my page. And let's make the width a bit smaller and see what happens. Did you see what happened? When it becomes smaller than 600 pixels, the color blue is gone. Okay, so let's try it again. Let's try medium minimum width is, let's make it more obvious. Let's do 900 pixels. So let's try that again. If I make this page a bit thinner, soon as it's smaller than 900 pixels, it changes color. So that's the cool effect of media. Okay, the media query. It evaluates whether this condition is true. Only when the condition is true, it will execute the code in between, in the braces. So what are some other conditions I can evaluate? So let's do maximum width. Maximum width is 500. Okay, so basically it's going to check whether the maximum width is 500. If it is true, so if the viewport is smaller than 500, the background color is going to be blue. So let's test that out. Let's save that, get the page up again, refresh that. You can see the color is white, but as soon as it gets to smaller than 500, it turns blue. Okay, so it's like the reverse of what we had. Now, you can also use a logical operator such as AND. So you can have two conditions. So you can say when the maximum width is 500, actually let's go minimum width is 500 and the maximum width is 900. Okay, so if you run that, okay, if I get the page up, what happens to the page is when the width is between 500 and 900, it'll be white. It'll be blue. So have a look. This is about 900, it's blue. If I make it smaller, it's still blue, but if it's smaller than 500, it'll turn white again. See, it's turned white again. Let's make it a bit obvious. Let's do 700 and 900. So if I refresh that, you'll see it more obvious. So it's white, it'll turn blue in a second when it's 700. It'll remain blue until it's 900, and if it's a bit bigger, it turns white again. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this lesson. I hope you guys understand a little bit about what is happening, and I will upload this page onto my website and show you guys the link in the description. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.